Hey.
Everything with a red tag is buy one, get one free.
Okay.
I mean, yeah. When it comes to it like that, it's hard to. I like them all, but I don't. I think they do the best. Number 5 trick.
So I know Lauren and Andy would probably want to buy some too.
It's a fountain basically, but it's meant to hold your hand. Yep. What color do you like? They have different colors. They've got like red and blue and yellow.
She likes the outside of that one better.
Okay, all right. That's like a big sparkler, but it sprays out the end of it. It sprays out the end. Hold it. It shoots out sparks and sprays it out.
Okay. That was just reading the sign. You like the trailer stuff.
So are those snow cones? Are they like really loud? Or
No, they just spray up.
do they have like a lot of
crackle and
crackle? Do they have like a lot of crackle or just a little?
I mean, I don't know what compared to this, which is another big fountain. No, it's not going to be near that. But I mean, for a little small fountain, it's pretty good.
Those are buy one free, right?
For $6.
All right, I'm gonna think about those. What else would you recommend? Like on the cheaper side?
It all depends on how much money you want to spend. Like, what's your budget?
I mean, we've already been to a few stands, so I don't know. Like, I'm trying to only pick up like 2 or 3 things at each place. And these you just hold in your hand?
Yeah. Yep.
Pretty cool.
It's like a fountain. Same thing that would be, but it's meant to hold in your hand.
Can I see what those swords look like?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
And it just sprays out the end.
Yeah. I've done one of these before, but yeah. Alright, I think I'm gonna go with so these are like just about the same thing as those.
Yeah, but they're just meant to hold. Yep.
Do y'all do tax here?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna do, let's see, this duration. Do you know like how long these last?
Nah, these are new for me this year. They're probably gonna last, I don't know, 30 or 45 seconds. They don't normally give It's not common to give durations on these things.
Mhm.
Like there'll be some things like that.
Yeah.
But that's part of the sales. Like they're telling you this will last 2 minutes. So, I mean, even big stuff like
Yeah.
these big boxes are only going to last about a minute. So this is
Yeah.
going to be 30 seconds to a minute.
Okay. Found some stuff I want to buy. Yeah.
Imagine that. Hi,
Alright,
how are
so-
you?
Good. How are you?
I'm gonna get these snow cones because they're a lot cheaper here.
Okay.
I'm gonna get 2 snow cones. Can you paper half and I paper half?
Just wait.
Alright, so 2 snow cones.
Does it matter what color?
What
Nah,
color?
I
like,
mean,
where's the color?
Red and a blue.
Oh,
I
a red
guess-
and a blue.
Yeah, red and a blue it is.
What is
Alright.
Are they noisy?
They're
Not-
just
not
small
really,
fountains.
yeah.
They crackle and pop. I mean, they're not crazy loud.
Alright, then they have those for 5. Aren't those 5?
$5, yeah, for the
Okay.
pack. They're 6, 7 minute pack.
Let's see, Mommy, what do you think of this one?
I'll take a yellow one
Here, buy one, get one free.
too. Oh, do you want another one? You want to get 4?
If you buy them, because I only wanted 2. I only wanted 2, so you gotta buy those.
Okay, we'll take those.
These you hold in your hand and light, they're only $4.
Oh, wait a minute. Are those the same?
Those are meant to be on the ground. These are they are designed to hold in your hand.
And how much are these?
$4 a piece.
Let's see. How about we get one of these to try it? Let me see if this is good enough.
I've never tried these. They're new to me this year.
You hold them in your hand. Are you
They're
sure?
yeah, they are
I
actually
don't-
called handheld snow.
No.
They are meant to do that.
The thing that concerns me is like I was holding a firework on like one of those swords a long time ago.
Are you
The
getting
whole
this?
thing, no.
Is
I'm
that?
sorry, Mom.
Yeah, that's what you were holding.
Yeah, I was holding it, the whole thing caught on fire.
Yeah.
Like it was so close to my hand.
All right.
Yeah, let's just get one.
Okay.
Then that'll do.
What else?
I already have a bunch of big stuff at home, so I don't need any of that stuff.
You good?
Yeah.
You go ahead and pay them, and I'll give you some money.
Alright.
They're at 16.
Okay.
You want to try another one of these? Just get an. I'll get it. Just give them the 20. That'll be 20, right?
Yep.
Okay. Like this is the end of your party. Here you go. Get them.
Oh.
You want a bag?
Yes, please.